Hola, clase! Alright, so in order to finish up our story today about Bart, we are going to go to class notebook. Once class notebook loads, you'll click on the little caret over here to open the navigation panel. And you are going to click on your name. Now this looks different because I have to click on Content Library. You need to click on your name. Otherwise this will not work. Click on your name. So I'm going to click on this name just for now. Click on pre-unit. And then click on Bart quiere un gato. And this is where we're going to work today. Alright? So, yesterday we read our story. We read Bart quiere un gato. I'm going to read it for you again today, just as a review. So, Bart quiere un gato. Bart wants a cat. Hay un chico. There is a boy. El chico es Bart. The boy is Bart. Bart está en California. Bart is in California. Bart está en Barstow, California. Bart is in Barstow, California. Bart no está contento. Bart is not happy. No tiene un gato. He doesn't have a cat. Quiere un gato. He wants a cat. Va a Google porque quiere un gato. He goes to Google because he wants a cat. Quiere un gato en California. He wants a cat in California. No está contento porque no hay un gato extra en California. He is not happy because there is not an extra cat in California. Bart va a Boston. Bart goes to Boston. Hay un chico en Boston. There is a boy in Boston. Es Baldwin. He is Baldwin. Va al apartamento de Baldwin. He goes to the apartment of Baldwin. Le dice, he says to him, Hola, tengo un problema. Hello, I have a problem. No tengo un gato. I don't have a cat. Quiero un gato. I want a cat. ¿Tienes un gato extra? Do you have an extra cat? No tengo un gato extra. I don't have an extra cat. Tengo un gato, pero no tengo un gato extra. I have a cat, but I don't have an extra cat. Bart no está contento. Bart is not happy. Quiere un gato, pero Baldwin no tiene un gato extra. He wants a cat, but Baldwin doesn't have an extra cat. Bart va a Atlanta. Bart goes to Atlanta. Hay una chica en Atlanta. There is a girl in Atlanta. Es Gladys. She is Gladys. Bart va al apartamento de Gladys y le dice. Bart goes to the apartment of Gladys and he says to her, Hola, tengo un problema. Hello, I have a problem. No tengo un gato. I don't have a cat. Quiero un gato. I want a cat. ¿Tienes un gato extra? Do you have an extra cat? Sí, tengo un gato extra. Yes, I have an extra cat. Mi gato es Dirk. My cat is Dirk. Es un gato excelente. He is an excellent cat. Gladys tiene el gato. Gladys has the cat. Bart recibe el gato. Bart receives the cat. Bart tiene el gato y va a California. Bart has the cat and he goes to California. Bart está muy contento porque tiene un gato. Bart is very happy because he has a cat. Now, yesterday, we answered questions 1 through 1 because the numbering was messed up. Sorry. Okay, so I think 16. This is question 18 is where we should be. So I'm going to go ahead and fix my numbering here. You can fix your numbering as well. That would make me happy. Okay, question 18 says, ¿Cómo está Bart en Boston? ¿Cómo is how? Está is Bart in Boston. So how is Bart in Boston? How was he? Let's scroll back up to our story. And remember, I put this part of the story here for you so you can copy and paste. So how was he in Boston? So we know all this. This is like the intro, and then he goes to Boston and he talks to the guy, and then, oh, right here. Bart no está contento. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that sentence. I'm going to Control C to copy it. Scroll back down to where I want it. Control V to paste it. Remember, you can type it out as well. That's fine. So this question said, how is Bart in Boston? And I answered, Bart is not happy. If you want to include this in Boston part, that's fine too. Bart is not happy in Boston. You can do that. That's a little bit more specific then. Okay. Número 19. ¿Por qué no está contento Bart in Boston? ¿Por qué? Why? No está contento Bart. Is Bart not happy in Boston? Why is Bart not happy in Boston? Now for this one here, we can have a couple of different answers. We can scroll back up to our story. So he's in Boston. He said he's not happy. And this line here, he wants a cat, but Baldwin doesn't have an extra cat. This is the next line after Bart was saying he's not happy. So that's a decent answer there. The other way you might have said it is Bart is not happy. So Bart no está. Oh, I'm going to copy the word está because it has that accent in it. Bart no está contento porque he is not happy because he doesn't have a cat, right? That's why he's sad. So no tiene un gato. Bart is not happy because he does not have a cat. Número 20. ¿A dónde va Bart después de Boston? ¿A dónde? To where? Va, goes, Bart. Después, after Boston. Where does Bart go after Boston? Let's scroll back up to our story. So he's in Boston. Oh, right here. Bart goes to Atlanta. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. Now the question says, where does Bart go after Boston? If you just answer Bart goes to Atlanta, that's absolutely correct. You don't need anything else. But if you wanted to be extra and include some of the question in your answer, you can do that. So the question is, where does Bart go after Boston? Bart goes to Atlanta after Boston, right? So we're adding that little bit of extra piece from our question. 21. ¿Qué hay en Atlanta? ¿Qué hay en Atlanta? ¿Qué is what? There is, or is there, in Atlanta. So what is there in Atlanta? What is there? Scroll back up to our story. So we know he goes to Atlanta. Right here. Hay una chica en Atlanta. So I'm going to Control C to copy that sentence. Control V to paste it right in there. I in Atlanta. What is there in Atlanta? Hay una chica in Atlanta. There's a girl in Atlanta. Number 22. ¿Quién, who es la chica? Who is the girl? Who is this girl? Let's see. I don't remember. All right, so there's a girl in Atlanta. Oh, Gladys. Her name is Gladys. All right. So remember with our who questions, we can take the whole who question and paste it over and replace the word who with the person's name. So Gladys es la chica. Okay, Gladys is the girl. Número 23. ¿A dónde va Bart en Atlanta? ¿A dónde va Bart en Atlanta? ¿A dónde? To where? Va, goes, Bart in Atlanta. Or where does Bart go to in Atlanta? Where does he go? He went to Gladys's apartment, right? So we're going to go back up to our story right here. Bart va al apartamento de Gladys. Bart goes to the apartment of Gladys. Good. Número 24. ¿Qué le dice Bart a Gladys? ¿Qué le dice Bart a Gladys? What does Bart say to Gladys? So let's scroll back up to our story to see what he says to her. He says, Hola, tengo un problema. No tengo un gato. Quiero un gato. ¿Tienes un gato extra? He said that whole thing. So we're going to go ahead and copy all of that. And we're going to put some quotes. And we're going to paste it in there. Okay. Oh. And I don't like the way this is formatted, so I'm just going to change that. And I'm going to end my quote there. Okay. Notice that number 24 is the exact same as number 1 or number 16. Okay? It is the exact same. He says the exact same quote to both Baldwin and Gladys. Okay? All right. Number 25. ¿Qué le dice Gladys a Bart? What says Gladys to Bart? Or what does Gladys say to Bart? So scroll back up to our story here. And right here, Gladys responds, Sí, tengo un gato extra. Mi gato es Dirk. Es un gato excelente. I'm going to Control C to copy. Take it back down here. Put some quotes. Control V to paste. And I don't like the formatting on this because I'm picky. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that. Oh, maybe. Well, that's weird. Un gato excelente. Weird. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and start a new recording for you.